All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is another beautiful day here in the markets. Let's see. what we can do. How are we doing this morning? How are we doing? How are we doing? How are we doing? Let me get a little mic check. Let me see how things are going. My mic sounds nice. Check one. Yes, everything seems to be in tip-top shape. So it looks like that we can go ahead and get into analyzing the market. All right, let's see. What do we got? What do we got here? Make sure all my chats are in the correct place. Let me pop this out like this. Yeah, this is more or less the way that I like it. Nice. Minimize this. And cool. All right. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. So our 15-minute range has not. We have not stopped the. We haven't done the thing yet. So it looks like we're about to do it now. Boom. There it is. All right. New lows, everybody. New lows. I saw a 5-minute engulfing pattern that I wanted to take, but it just, it was way too early. First 5 minutes of the day. Usually don't like to play those. Would have been pretty nice, though. Would have been pretty nice. But anyway, we're here. At this point, I don't even think it's too much of a purpose to chart up the opening range, but I'll do it anyway. I'll do it anyway. So this is about to close right here. Orb. All right, and we are good to go. And yeah, it looks like we want nothing but downside. No meaningful retracements, just downside. I can't even be mad. So talk to me, people. Anybody take any trades yet? Anybody catch some of these shorts? Anybody anywhere? Let me know. Give me 5 minutes here. I'll be right back. And we are pumping downwards. To nobody's surprise. Wow, 5-second SBS. Yeesh. That form on the 1 minute. Yeah, that's a good idea. Try not to go beyond below the 1 minute myself. It's not, I'm not fishing that hard for a trade, you know what I mean? Yeah, 1 minute. I mean, anything below like the 30-second is like you're kind of playing with a lot of fire right there. So I kind of feel you. Hold up, guys. My settings here are kind of out of whack right now. Let me see something. Let me disconnect my headphones and connect them again. There we go. That's a little bit better. That's a little bit better. Sir Seeker. Good morning. Good morning. I'm just trying to look for one set of a day to be content with. Yep. Wait until 10. That's also a good idea. Crazy moves going on. Yeah, kind of, sort of. We're just puking down. So it's like, you know. We're just puking down. Not really too much to do right now. I'm trying to figure out where do we want to go. I'm not really seeing it right now. So. Half of this is just going to be trying to figure out where exactly buyers and sellers want to kind of show up. Where do buyers want to show up? Where do sellers want to show up? I'm not really seeing anything besides this cascade down, so I have to sit on hands. I have to wait. I have to wait. Yeah, we're just puking to the downside. My goodness. My goodness. It's like, yeah, just close your eyes and sell. That's rare. Woo. All right. This is just go away for a second. Yeah. This is something. Let's see what it looks like on the 1 second, guys. Let's play a little game. Yeah, we're moving. We are moving. And it's not stopping. Wow, guys. That's all I got to say is just wow. That's all I got. That's all I got is wow. That's all I got. I ain't got no technical analysis. I ain't got I ain't got nothing. I ain't got no market structure. Just, hey, this is what the market could do. I ain't got nothing. I don't have anything. Oh man. Wow. What a sell-off, guys. What a sell-off. Yeah, nothing to do besides sit on hands. Turn the music up and just watch, I guess. I don't know. We're still pumping lower. Still pumping lower. What is going on? Still pumping lower. Still pumping lower. Still pumping lower. Ooh. This is rough. Sit on hands, guys. Don't FOMO. Don't FOMO. Something will present itself, but I don't know when. Stay calm. Man, we're really rushing there. We are really rushing there. I don't know why I'm on the 1 minute. This is crazy. Andre, good morning, man. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Let me take a screenshot of all of these black candles right here. This is the 5 minute. There's no way people was longing this. Oh. And another low. We are going low. It's fine by me. Market can do whatever it wants. Market can do whatever it wants. All right, getting a little bit of a bounce here. Getting a little bit of a bounce. I don't even know why I'm doing this. I mean, you could maybe try and look for an expanded reversal, but sure, you're walking into a freight train. Walking into a mountain of sellers. No point in my opinion. But we are very early in the day. Last minute on this hourly candle. Last minute in this hourly candle. Once again, be right back, guys. I'm back. What'd I miss? Nothing. Yeah, I'm not saying anything. Yeah, not my type of market, this one. All right, now how much of the move do we want to give back? Staying patient. Tap 50 of UMO and hit the daily distribution level on Ollie's data map. I don't know what Ollie's data map is. Bears coming in from Nova Sweet. Yeah. What Brando said. Guys, I'm really here just sipping coffee. I don't have anything in this one. Let's see if we had anything here. Nope. We came up a little bit lower and then we punched right back on down. Not my type of market. Not my type of market, ladies and germs. Not my type of market. Let me start marking up some of these lows right here. See if we want to tap into. So there's a wick right here. Oh, come on. There's a wick right here. Yeah, close enough. There is a major low right here. All right, let's see what we do. Ollie from Pepe Zusco, his indicator levels are an amazing confluence. Gotcha. Yeah, I think we just slammed this level again. See if we can get these lows, these blue lines right here. All right, that low was tagged. Let's see what else we want to do. Not bad, Suerte. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. I would love to short, but it's just I just don't have market structure right now. I mean, you could see something like this real quick, but that's kind of fishing for a trade, in my opinion. Or at least try to get like a 1 to 1.5 off this one. But with my luck, usually whenever I try to get in, I usually get blasted. So just going to try a little bit of patience. All right, she is trying at this level. I would imagine she wants to go a little bit lower, but I have no proof. No proof of anything right now. No proof of concept. Just insane zooming image. None of that was English, but you understood it. Alright, let's see if that wants to dump down. It doesn't look like it. ATR was wild. Yeah, everything about this market is kind of on the wild side. Don't know what anybody wants to do right here, so all you gotta do is wait. Something will present itself, and if it doesn't, that's fine too. That's fine too. And we're going lower. So we're a little expanded from the the SMAs. The 1 minute's down here, the 200's all the way up here. I would imagine that when we start to see some strength, we'll see some strength up to like 320s or something like that, and then continue that cascade down. So right now, everything is kind of hard. No matter what you do, everything's going to be hard at this level. If you want to buy it, that's going to be hard. If you want to sell it, that's going to be hard. So we wait. Exactly, money glitch. It's just everything is too hard. This was a pretty good short up here, though. This was pretty good. But right now, it's like you kind of have to wait and sit on your hands and wait for the market to tip its hat. Because buyers are going to try and buy this up, and sellers are going to try and push this down. So we're kind of you don't want to be in the middle of indecision. So Very funny, Brando. Very funny, very funny. God damn it. Anyway, we continue to wait, guys. I don't have anything. Took this low. Now we're consolidating. Trying to see who's going to let go first, the buyers or the sellers. I got a feeling that we could probably see some retracements back here, but I don't want to buy this at all. I'd rather wait for a retracement, wait for a sell. If the sell-off even happens again. It's possible. It's very possible. Still early in the day, 10:15. Preserving mental capital. Whether you know it or not, being neutral is indeed a position, and you are making decisions while being neutral. With SBS, I'll take a 1-to-1. Good job. Plan the trade, trade the plan, money glitch. Plan the trade, trade the plan. Alright, so it looks like buyers kind of gave up right here. New low at 305. I'm sorry, 05. 52 and a quarter. Alright. Little consolidation there before expanding again. Consolidation, expand again. Orderly staircase downwards. Nothing for me. Nothing for me yet. Nothing for me yet. So I would imagine we rush down to this next low. Right here to this line. If she wants to do it, she'll probably... If she doesn't do it speedily, then she'll probably bubble up from right here. And see how everything's kind of like, I'm saying it in like this little 50-50 kind of fashion. Like, I don't know, because it's I don't. It's either she's going to do this fast or she's going to retrace kind of hard here to fake people out. It's one of the two. And I'd rather not be a part of that. Yeah. So now that we're seeing some buyers come in, it kind of feels like we want to leave this low intact. For now, at least. Maybe we want to start sweeping some levels. Yeah, see that? See what I mean? See what I mean? See what I mean? That everything was 50-50. Now, everybody probably would have sort of got that we were coming for this low down all the way down here, right? Like, everybody probably would have swore up and down that this is what we're about to do. It's a little bit lower. But what happens? Price kind of, buyers step in and say like, hey, we want to protect the position or we want to get out. And you probably would have got stopped out somewhere. And then we come right back down. So I don't know what the market wants to do right here. This is kind of barcodey. So once again, we will wait. This candle could flip completely right back up. Hey, remember, guys, it's you against you. No more, no less. You against you. And there are your buyers. There are your buyers buying the shit out of this market. So now what can we expect? Now we can expect some ugly price action. Because now nobody knows what to do still. Remember, everything at this level is going to be hard. If you do go in with minimal risk. But everything at this level is going to be hard. Buyers could give up right now and then just crater this thing. Sellers could come in and crater the thing. Buyers can be resilient and keep on going up. There's a lot of things that can happen right here, dog. We are kind of expanded from the SMA, so I would imagine that you could try a little buy right here. It's very hard though. You can't marry this though. You can't marry it. You cannot marry it. Oh, and that's technically an engulfing candle on the 5. Had I saw that, I probably would have played it. It's all good. Okay, so now that we're up here, what do sellers want to do? Oh, I'm on the 30-second, my bad. All right, getting somewhat of a reversal here. Do we try longs at these levels? It's kind of ill, yucky price action. One, two, three. Not loving it. I'm not loving it only because this is still, the short is going to be hard. The easier thing to do would be to long this. Yeah, I'm not really loving nothing right now. Yeah, the easier thing would be to long this. But we're incredibly bearish. These SMAs are telling me that we're exhausted at these levels. And it'll be easier for buyers to buy. Oh, text wrap, my bad, guys. I had a little brain fart there. I just don't want to get caught up in the steam of the buyers. Ask your plan that question. At these levels, the plan would kind of be to look for a buy to sell type of deal. Because once again, don't want to get caught up in the steam of the buyers. We had a very strong downtrend, and it just makes sense for buyers to step in right here. And plus, we're extremely expanded from the 200. Extremely expanded. So it's almost like yesterday. In order for me to get involved with shorts, I would kind of need the 20 like up here, and then we start closing below the 20 again, and we start going down again. So. Like this right here, it's like, I've seen this fail. My buyers want to step in, and when they step in pretty hard, especially since we're this low. Being nice and patient, nice and patient, nice and patient. If I'm nobody to tell you what to do, but this expanded 20 plus 200. But this expanded 20 plus 200 plus this fail. I will wait. Yeah, it got cooked. Yeah, yeah. Andre, I'm a little bit confused. Are you saying that are you saying you don't really believe in the short, or you say that you don't believe in the long? I'm a little bit confused by your comment, but I'm always open to suggestions, of course. Anybody are selling this SBS to good luck. Yeah, it doesn't seem all that probable. Only because I've seen something like this fail numerous times. In fact, I think it failed yesterday, where if you take like the first SBS like retracement after the estimates are so expanded, I think we just rolled right through that. So honestly, I'm really just marking it up. I want to look for a buy, but I don't see it. Like everything is just whatever you do is just going to be hard at this level. If you want to buy it, it's going to you're going to be biting your teeth. If you want to sell it, buyers can just sweep that shit real hard. So it's like, it's just one of those days. In the short, I mean, there is structure. No, I get it, Andre. I get it. I'm literally just marking it up. But it's going to be like really hard. It's like every single pop down from here on out is going to be bought up. I can almost guarantee you. And see how the 20 is kind of like almost like supporting like price. I can see price like coming like down just a little bit, and then pushing like right back up. So like, I think it is number 4. Time to short. I'm good. 1 minute SBS. I see. I'm a data junkie. I feel you. Yeah, so this looks good, but it's not gonna go that far. I can almost guarantee you, like, if it does come down, it's not gonna come down all that far. I mean, well, I don't want to like give nobody guarantees, but you can probably see something like this, and then it's just gonna get bought up. I can almost guarantee it. It's not gonna make a new low that easily. No shot. Well, I mean, not no shot, but you know what I mean. Yeah, I kind of just want to like buy this right now, but I'm not seeing like an SBS. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. I might look for a buy here, guys. I might look for a buy here. Yeah, because we're just so far away. I just can't see it happening yet. This is kind of hindsighty, guys, so don't mind me. Or what's the 1 minute say? All right, trying to not get ran over. Sure, bro. Go for a 0.49. Good luck. Good luck. I don't really see the short happening yet, but like I said, it's 50-50. It's 50-50. It's 50-50 right now. Yeah, this is very 50-50. I'm gonna be hands. Let's see. Yeah, like everything you do here is gonna be weird. And now we're getting a 5-minute engulfing candle, and it's like, okay, all right. I'm gonna wait till this 5-minute closes. Alrighty, that is a 5-minute engulfing. That is a 5-minute engulfing. You could see something like this now. Jabbing with the market. You could see something like this now. And pushing right back up. Let's see what the market wants to do. Alright guys, I might play the engulfing candle back with these shorts. But literally, you're shorting like literally the freaking lows of the day. That kind of sucks. But hey, it is what it is. I would imagine that this kind of runs here now. Tough day. Kind of a tough day. Kind of a tough day. Kind of a tough day. Bubbling back up. Alright guys.
Order filled.
We'll try a short right there. We will try a short right there. If it's not doing what we want it to do, then we'll hurry up and get out. That's kind of a lot. Already down $100. And I'm already not liking this trade, so I'm gonna kill it. Not liking that one. Not liking this trade. Let's let it come up a little bit. And let's see what it wants to do. I'm going with a little bit less. But if you took that initial short, congratulations. And I let it go too early. Whoops. No, go back. Alrighty, so 1L for the day. And this is kind of what I mean. Everything is just going to be hard at this level. Whether you long, whether you short, it's just, you know, it's just going to be a bunch of indecision. Like I want to believe in. It's not too much. I don't have any conviction for either side. And I think that was like four or five micros that gave me that loss too. So what was it? That was 4 micros. So volume is definitely in today. Guys, I think we may just bubble up right here. I have no proof of it though. I have no proof. If you try a long, you might just get wicked out. If you try a short, you might get wicked out. So All right, this 5 minute is refusing to go lower. Guys, I'm gonna try a cheeky long right here. I'm gonna try a cheeky long.
Order filled.
We're gonna do something like that, and let's see if I'm right here. And it doesn't look like it. Can we get back up to these levels here? Ooh. All right, buyers might be getting faked out. That might be me. Who knows? Bah. Yeah, the 200 is all the way up here. The thing is, we would have to close above this 20 right here. And it's just not, it's not really trying to do it right now. Yeah, like I said, I don't even know why I'm in this trade. It has potential, but it has small potential. Just refusing to get up there. How much I need? Yeah, something like that. All the way up there. Well, I guess this is not the reversal we're looking for. Flip back up. All right, that's taking too long. Okay. Another 5-minute engulfing that you can play. Wow. Just wow. Yeah. Wow, even with the estimates being expanded, we're still going lower. Okay, well, that's what happens sometimes. Bang, bow. Yeah, that was a tough one. That was a tough one. And new low. Yikes. So you mean to tell me that this right here worked? That makes no sense. But hey, it is what it is. All right, so now that we made a new low, what does price want to do from here? Do we take these lows or not? Yeah, my expanded reversal play let me down today. That's all right. I did say that whatever you do here is going to be hard. Whether you try to long, it'll be hard. Whether you try and short, it'll be hard. Just so happens that this buy up here, sellers decided to like, hey, yep, it's time. Hey, fair enough. It was technically an SBS, one that I thought was gonna fail, but hey, it is what it is. All right, so now we rush down here. Alrighty, NQ, are you going to take the low? That's the real question. And it doesn't look like it. Oh, and that's the opening of a new 5-minute candle. Yeah, we'll wait. Take a small little break. 10:45. See if we can find a banger. If not, it's all good. Yeah, staying afloat on a day like this is a big achievement. Yes, indeedy. Today is like every other day. That is also true. Nothing's changed in the market. Just a normal day. We make decisions and we see if they work out. We make decisions and we see if it works out. It just so happens that my plan didn't work out. Alrighty, low and there we go. Okay, so now that the low has been taken, look at this retracement, guys. We retraced almost nowhere. But bearish engulfing, had the right idea, but switched to longs right here, and of course it didn't work out because we were extremely bearish. So I tried to long in an area where we're extremely bearish. Wanted to see a quick little play back to the upside. That was extremely risky, and you know, it happens. It happens. So now that we've taken the low, I kind of want to see more downside from here, to be honest. Yeah, I kind of think this comes down a little bit lower. Yeah, there we go. That's kind of that flip I was looking for. And I'm saying to myself like that there's no way we just nip that, right? Let me see. You against you. That's the only thing you can control. Yeah, I think this kind of pops down a little bit lower, guys. And there it is once again. So yeah, so this right here, man, that's really unfortunate. So this right here was indeed the play. That was the play. Wow. Hey, it's a trade I won't take again though. Because I'm telling you, I've seen this fail so many times. It is what it is. All right, so now that we've taken this low again, question is, what do we want to do now? What do we want to do now? Price is starting to slow down a little bit. $45 years old, 10K dead, no job, no car, no money in the bank, high school dropout, AMA. What's AMA? Oh, ask me anything. How do you do it? Yeah, I'm not quite 45, but some of these apply to me. Some of them, not all of them, some of them. Hey, we're here to make a living. We are here to make a living, but only through discipline. It's the only way it's gonna work. Alrighty, guys. It looks like I may have to just take my L's here, because price is really starting to slow down. $800 what? 800K dead. What is that in yen? What? Well, just when you thought you were having a bad day. Oh my goodness. Wow. Well, keep your head up, people. We're gonna get it. We're all gonna make it here, man. I promise you that. Everybody here, we're gonna do something spectacular in the future, man. We're doing something spectacular now. We're doing something spectacular now, man. All right, buyers are starting to show up a little bit. Buyers are starting to show up a little bit. Is this finally our retracement? Is this finally our 5-minute long, guys? That is true. That is true. All right, that bubble up came up just to get bought. Sold right back down. Now price is starting to get a little ugly. And we're starting to get a little on the ugly side here. Pop up, came right back down. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6 15-minute candles that are nothing but black downwards candles. Lordy. We are in it. We are in the shits. Buyers keep on acting like they want to step in. Almost past 3 avals this week. Very nice. I'm just working on my one. I'm just working on the one. Need to trade 2 more days to make about $50 to count as a trading day. Wow. Flow with Babish, good luck, man. Really rooting for you, brother and or sister. Yeah, would love to see what we do right here, honestly. Nope, getting sold right back down. Have you tried Trade Day? Heard of them. Heard of them. I hear they're pretty solid. Yeah, I hear they're criminally underrated. They really fly under the radar. Yeah, Project X tops. Yeah, I heard of them. I know they got the same platform. But yeah, I heard of them. Just not trading with them. I hear they're really, really, really solid. Like really solid. Okay. I might take this bullish engulfing here, guys, if we close above. Okay.
Order filled.
All right, I'm going to take that right there. Might be a fast stop out here. Okay, not too bad. Don't want to break even yet. Even though I should. If we can close above this 1 minute, that'll be great. If not, oh well. All right, she's starting to fly just a little bit. Oh, was that all the strength that we had right there? So, oh, we got a new hourly. That's why. Okay, guys, I'm gonna break even right there. I'm gonna take most of it off.
Order filled.
Jabbing away. Doesn't look like she wants to continue. What did I make there? $90. Eh. Might get back in, might not. All right, little pop to the upside. 1, 2, 3. If this is true,
order filled.
yeah, I'm gonna come back in right there. See if we want to sweep some of this 1-2 level right here. Being very patient with this. I'm not really seeing. Getting a little support here from the 30. Don't want to add, but I kind of like the strength that we had right there. Okay. That's fine too. So that means that hourly is just making its wick right here.
Order filled.
Okay, well, gave some back. Might try and hop back in, honestly. I like this engulfing pattern right here. And there it goes. There it goes that fast. All right. That's unfortunate. As soon as I thought about hopping right back in. Yeah, I kind of want this to get swept right here, so I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try this again, but where to get in?
Order filled.
I'm gonna try this right here. See if we can start coming up and sweeping some of these areas right here. Might gotta do something like that, honestly. Can we test the 20? Can we test the 20 on the 5 minute? Come on in, Q. I want to see some sweeps of these levels, please. Thanks, Sir Sucker. Not only have only blown using Project X. Do they support Ninja? Let me do that. Yeah, I've heard really good stuff about Trade Day. I will be buying 3 intraday accounts with them before the end of August. Just $60, which includes the activation fee. That is nuts. That is pretty nuts. All right, guys. I am long, hoping that this 1 minute expanded play works out. Where to go, not too sure yet, but it's kind of sort of working out. Finally getting some sweeps of these levels right here. Nice little pop right there. We'll break even. I don't want to see it come back. Let me see. I'm thinking about closing some.
Order filled.
All right, cool. I'm gonna take 3 off right there. So we're back at break even for the day. And what do we need? We need like what, 500 to pass. So I'm gonna set that up there. All right, cool. This will be my trade. Hopefully this comes all the way up. If it doesn't, maybe I should have just took 2 off, but it's okay. Sweet baby Jesus, the push everybody wanted this one. Exactly. Exactly. The one that I messed myself up with. But yeah, I'm going to hold the rest of this. If it comes right back down, I mean, I'll just take the BE day because it's just not my day. So going for the win here, guys. Going for the win here. I need like 500 or so for this to pass. So I was at 450 this morning. What's that? 550, something like that. So need something like that to pass. Ugh, that's kind of hard, but it is what it is. Let me get rid of this fib right here. And if this comes back, I'll just take it. I'll just take the break even. But I think we're in a good spot. I think we're in a good spot here. So we'll see. We shall see. We shall see. We shall see. We shall see. Take the greens and enter again. I unfortunately already did. So if you recall, I was down 200. I was down 200 at first. I took some partials just to secure the BE day. So I kind of don't want to double dip into this one. This can just run, honestly. 11 p.m. here. Good night, folks. Stay safe. Good night, Bavish. Good trading, man. Good trading, good trading, good trading. Wow, look at that pop right there, guys. Don't want to. I mean, it's a combine. I don't want to extend stops or like trail stops. I just want this to go, honestly. Because if we're gonna do it, we should like do it now. What's this hourly saying? To be honest with you, that hourly doesn't look. My target doesn't look all the best, to be honest with you. But it is what it is. 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 Getting a test of the 20 here. This could be that wick for the hourly for the cup slamming right back down. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking right now. Don't want to close, but I may take another half. But it's only 2 micros. Ugh. I'm gonna take it.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take 1 off right there. Extra 130. Now this rotates all the way back up here. Then we're finally cooking with the proverbial grease. That's gonna be it for me. Yeah, I'm gonna just take that right there. What do you think, guys? You think the 1 micro could come all the way up and give us the passing? Give us the pass that we're looking for? I don't even think it needs that much. I think we need like something like this. You know, it's funny. If I would have just held the entire thing, I probably would have passed the entire thing right now. Ha ha! Wherever you're at, Shosakura, good call. Good call, good call, good call, good call, good call, good call. The long I've been waiting for the entire day. Now, let's see it never come back ever again. Let's see it never come back. So we probably, I think we need like 350, something like that. Yeah, something to this effect. I love your confidence. I love your confidence, sir sucker. What kind of kills me is like I could have been like down here somewhere. I could have been in at 057, but I didn't have the Texas style Ranger effect to just hop right back in. But this is looking pretty good. SMAs are kind of expanded. I want to see the SMAs like start to kiss a little bit. So I would say we're at least good for like. We may see a little bit of trouble at 193, but it's gotta pass this though. Which I think we should just pass this with ease. I want price to blow past this. Might see some trouble. Might see some trouble here. If not, we turned a red day into a green day, so I mean, it is what it is. Oh, sorry guys, I'm typing in your ear. My bad. I gotta remember that. And that's what happens when you take your profits too early, boys. So if I would have kept the 2 micros on, I would have been up 300. It's okay. Gotta stop doing that. We kind of did what we had to do. So, but right now, I want price to completely blow past this. Yeah, I want price to blow past all this nonsense. If I would have kept the 5 on, the combine would have been passed. But it's okay, Sometimes, we this is exactly what I would have done in a funded account. So that's what we're really here to practice, right? I'm talking to myself to like to keep myself sane. Because knowing damn well I should have kept like 3 more micros on this, but it's okay. I know it, you know it, we all know it. You should have kept your 2 micros on. I know it, you know it, we all know it. All right, come on, Price, giddy up. Giddy up, Price. Yeah, if we're right, I kind of need Price to kind of blow past all this nonsense right here. But I'm in such low leverage that it's got to come all the way up here for a win-win. But it's 1 micro, you know what I mean? And we got plenty of space now, so I wish I would have kept 2 on though. I wish I would have kept 2 on. Wow. How much faster can we get though? How much faster can we get, NQ? Can we get much faster, NQ? God damn, Sir Secker, good call. Shit. Damn, good call. Sir Secker, where's the stream at? Where's the Discord, bro? Where's the where's the paid Discord? I got $600 for you right now a month. So 200 from there. Damn, I think I need something closer to this actually. Shit. Okay. And so if we're right there at 200, and yeah, it's got to go pretty far. Now this would have been a better partial spot. But no, you wanted 132. Well, I don't see why not at this point, man. You can follow me. I'm mostly active on Twitter. I am mostly active on Twitter. I don't really do any other socials, but Jesus Christ. Yeah, this is nuts. Well, talk about closing too early. All right, so we might see some trouble at this little white box right here, but you know, it is what it is. Is this the one micro that could, ladies and gentlemen? Is your deal? Yeah. You can just shoot me a message anytime. Shoot me a message anytime. How long you been trading this combine? What, 4 days? 4 days going on 5. Really just taking my time with it. Yeah, like I said, now we might see some trouble right here. Let me see. What's this hour? This hour is probably about to engulf at this point, right? Like, yeah, oh shit, yeah. Damn. Yeah, about 4 days, probably going on 5. I got a whole mess of trades on this thing. I was Wild West last week. Let's see. I was real Wild West last week. Oh wow, 5 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, I lost my monkey mind right here in these 2 days. Then had to come back down to earth and do something like this. So yeah, bro, I cannot text you. You cannot see your DM. It should be open. Can you at me? I guess I don't know. Maybe I need to give you a follow. But no, I had people DM me and not follow me though. That's weird. Yeah, that's a bit weird. Oh my goodness, wow. This is that nothing. Should have held the second micro, boys and girls. That would have been $500 on 2 micros. But you know, enough beating yourself up. All right. Like I said, we might see some trouble here, but would love it if it just like skyrockets up to Kingdom Come. So we need what, 150? 150. Man, my math sucks. We need 150 from this number here. My math is really bad. How much more do we need? I'll reply your last message. You can check. Is it Z Trades? Are you Z Trades? No? Let me see. I can't see your reply. Huh. Oh, wait, hold up, I got new. There we go. Okay, cool. Cool. Oh man, my bad, dude. You already followed me. My bad, Slim. There you go. Well, guys, if I had 2 micros on, we would have been done for the day. But, you know, we're still sitting in this trade, trying to figure out what Price wants to do. Oh, very nice. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Come on, the one last micro that could blow all of those guys out of the water. Oh, wow, it's actually working. Look at that. That's crazy. That is crazy. Yes, it's like I'm going to respond to your message in a second. I'm going to just focus on trade. Yeah, I got you. We're really going up from right here. Jesus. All right, so we took all the liquidities with 1 micro. We took all the liquidities with 1 micro. I'm gonna move stops up to about right here. That is 1 micro, $300. It can't continue forever, boys and girls. The party's gotta stop eventually. Party's got to stop eventually. Yeah, eventually the party's got to stop. I'm biting my nails, bro. Let's go. Question is, does it happen here live and on camera? So the 30 seconds should probably be crossing up there. Oh yeah, a long time ago actually. So we got a lot of support there from the 30. For what it did, 2 micros would have been done. I gotta stop saying that, but it's true. For what it did, 2 micros, it would have been done. Finally got those longs. What do you say, guys? Should I start trailing aggressively? Yeah, a couple more. They got exactly 100 more. Let's see if we can get much higher. Trump, Nancy Pelosi, do something. All right, so we need exactly $110 more from this level right here. So what's that? 3. I'm just gonna see where we're at when we get like right up here. I don't know whether this is the exact number we need. It shouldn't be because that's 400. It should be somewhere closer to like 350. No. Once again, my math is horrendous. What I don't want to happen is it hits it and I'm like, I need like $12 or something. That's happened to me before. All right, just get up there, NQ. Get up there. Give me $100 more. Yes, we need 100 more from right here. So we need something. We need something like this, guys. Yeah, we need something closer to this. Yeah, we need something closer to that. Unfortunately. Unfortunately, guys. Unfortunately. I just simply don't think we want to give that much of the move back. But hey, anything's possible. Anything's possible. Everybody get out and push. I'm not willing to give back $150 though, so I'm gonna move this up here. What's my 5 minutes say? My 5 minutes says that alright, all of this is fair game right here. Yeah, my 5 minutes says all of this is fair game, so all of these gaps could work out. This is like all these are big ass fair value gaps and shit, so we could just retrace a little bit, but you know, take one more trade. I want this trade to work. I want this trade to work. If anything, I may just trail stops even harder in a second. If we can get above here, I may just trade even trail even harder, because it's got to retrace eventually, right? Just don't want to choke it, you know what I mean? And if not, I mean, you know, we'll just come back tomorrow. We'll just come back tomorrow. Like that's all we'll do. All right, guys, $90 more. $90 more bucks. the I'm biting my nails, bro, is killing me. Meanwhile, I'm just like, if it hits it, it hits it. If it doesn't, we'll be back tomorrow. So, let's turn the music back up, I guess. Can we get one of those weirdo like NQ pops where it just like goes boop, bow? Can we see one of those? Out. A few more dollars to pass this combat take one back. Oh, you were in Money Glitch? You took those longs and you passed combat? No? I thought that's what was going on. My bad. My bad. Yeah, I thought you said you were in. I would have been like, oh, that's fantastic. Oh, look at that. We got that weirdo NQ thing. Oh, gotcha. Hey, respect. Respect. Alrighty, I'm gonna secure 200 here, guys. I'm gonna secure 200 right there. If anything, I'm gonna do that, guys. So we're at the level where I'm choking the trade. It either runs right here or it doesn't. But I'm liking how price is kind of forming right here. Not willing to give too much back at this point. If it keeps on making like a higher high from right there, I'm going to trail stops to below this candle right here at 214. Wow. Okay, so that's exactly what I wanted to see. All right, guys, this may just take us out right here. It's either win or break even at this point. Or not break even, or stop in profit. We'll see. What do we need? $50 more? I think that's $50 more. Come on. You can do it. I believe in you, NQ, for some reason. I believe in you, NQ. Even though you have given me a lot so far, so this might not, you might not do it right there. But a $50 tomorrow day, I can take that. You know what I mean? We were down today, so yeah, we were down today. So if this doesn't work out, we're still good. I'm trying to do like this mental math of how much. Like I think we may need like another $1 or $2, but I want to get out like at this level right here. So let's see, guys. Here we go. Is it gonna pump or nah? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Yeah, like my math is horrendous, but I think this number is correct. Trailing stops. I need a swap. I need like a swoop. I need like one of those swappy, like just hit it one time type deals. You either run here or you don't, NQ. Should I trail stops even more? I think I should, actually. Alright, guys. Trailing stops even harder. This is it. Will it do it? Will she do it? Will she do it? Like one more pop up, $30. $30. Oh, I need to go to work and I'm still here. Let's go. Suerte, please go to work. Go to work, my brother. Don't worry about this. Don't worry about me. Secure the bag at work. If you gotta go, please get out of here. If you gotta go, please get out. Your patience is key. Today it is. We'll see how I trade in the combine. But no, we're gonna do the same thing we did in this combine in the XFA. So I'm looking for NQ to like do something weird, to like pop back up instead of popping back down. So maybe hit this ICT nonsense, this fair value gap right here, and push right back up if it wants to come back down. But I'm not willing to give it any more room than that. I'm just hoping that my math isn't wrong right here. Like $400, right? Something like that. Will she do it? Will she do it, or will she tag this little thing here? Because if will it pop in the white box and then go all the way back up? So 2 micros. This would have been $600 on 2 micros. Jesus, volume is in. Okay, guys. Moment of truth. Hit the fair value gap and pop back up, or come too deep and and go back down. We'll see. We'll see. If not, this was an incredible stream either way. So, all right, here it is. Will it pop back up? Nah, it's cutting right through it. Okay, stop in profit, guys. Incoming. Yeah, ICT's algorithm order flow drill is probably about to fail right here. So which will just be back tomorrow. And guys, if it goes up from here, it should attack that 400. So hit this fair value gap and push right back up. If it does, cool. If it doesn't, it's fine. We'll be back tomorrow. In this fair value gap not working. Oh wow, I took my eyes off for 1 second. All right, so no bottom wick right here. It could come back down, but not willing to give it that much room. Let's go. Oh, wouldn't it be tragic if I was off like $5 or something? I'm telling you, my math is not mathing right now. That's the thing though, NQ. If we get a closure outside the box, that'd be great. That would be great. That'd be fantastic, actually. Just hurry the hell up. Tap in SMA. Oh, which one? It's probably a 5-minute, right? Okay, yeah. Oh, wait. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Wait, hold on. Let me extend it just a little bit, just to make sure. I don't want nothing tragic to happen. Now, 40. It shouldn't be past 405. It shouldn't be past 405. Like $30. Yeah, like I don't want like. Come on, you can do it. A couple points away. I think this could flip back up. I think this could flip back up one more time. Looking a little heavy. Looking a little heavy. Looking a little heavy. It's a little bit of a rejection right there. I have faith though. Suerte, I swear to God, if you don't leave and go to work and don't worry about me and this little petty combine. Okay, guys, I think that may have been it. I think it's finally time for the big retracement, which is okay, which is fine. In fact, I'm gonna put my stop right here at 324. And that'll take me out. And that's when we 5 micros short. We were almost there. Yeah, SMA resistance. Yeah, good call. Okay, there it is, guys. 456. So we need 70 or so dollars or something like that. Oh yeah, I don't know what the hell that is. That's a barcode 5-minute thing. I don't know what that is. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Beautiful trade. Yeah, man. Hey, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. The question is that trail stops too tightly. That's the real question. That's the real question. All right, let me take my screenshot. All right, guys. Full port short. Let's go. Full port short. It's time. Well, good trade, bro. Well done. Hey, appreciate that, Sir Secker. Appreciate that. Yeah, maybe that trail stopped a little bit too tight, but it's all right. Tomorrow, do 1-to-1 and pass this combine. No. We're going to pass it right now. I don't know what Price wants to do here, so. I mean, this could just go right back up, though. Or it could go back down. Who knows? Oh, people are messaging me at work. Gold or euro, nothing on NQ right now. Yeah, this could like just bob and weave right here. This could just bob and weave, and we go right back out. And so better stops would have been trailed like right around here or so. And we might make a new high. This could be your SBS too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn it. Yeah. This could be your little SBS right here. And we did what we had to do. All right, everybody go long right now. Everybody go long. We only need a couple points. This is technically a bullish SBS. Oh, appreciate it, Stoic. Appreciate it, appreciate it, appreciate it, appreciate it. This is technically an SBS that's bullish. But being a good trader, I should lock it up because I literally just got a 1 to 8. Thank you, sir. Long again and get your $70. Yeah, 80 micros. I mean, 10 micros. 10 micros to make $70. But no, this kind of looks decent right here. I probably don't have time to even type it. Let me see. But remember, we're kind of going against the we are still technically against the SMAs here. So after all that expanding, the real question is, when does price consolidate? And that's the main thing you kind of want to like get over. This could work, but I'm gonna leave it alone. I think I've done more than what I should have in the first place. But if I was still looking for a trade, it'll be something like this. But the problem is, see the SMAs? You're still technically You're still technically below the 200, and if you start getting close below the 20, that may just signal sellers to just come right back into the market and push this thing down. So let me get rid of those. So yeah, but this would be it right here. Let's see if it works. So if I wanted to take this trade, I would have did something like this. And let's see if it would have given me like a 1-to-1. Let's see if it would have gave me a 1-to-1, boys. Once again, the only reason I'm not in the trade, I marked up on the 1 minute. We're technically in a bearish situation on the 1 minute, and that's why I'm not in the trade. But let's see. Should I do it, boys and girls? No, discipline, but this looks like it's about to go schwap right back up. We're probably still in a bearish scenario on the 5 as well. Yeah, technically we are. So price is probably going to get a little wonky right here. So we expanded downwards. We've expanded upwards. It's got to consolidate somewhere. And I'd rather not be a part of that. Yeah, I'd rather not be a part of that. Yeah, like see how hard it is right now? Yeah, like see how hard like price, because technically speaking, we are in a bearish environment. You're looking for a long SBS on the 1 minute when your SMAs are kind of sort of against you. Now, if the SMAs were to if the SMA were to cross right here on the 1 minute, oh, I'm pretty sure we'll start to bull all the way up. But we're not getting that right now. So, and the last thing I want to do, I don't want to cheat myself. We had a banger trade. We did what we had to do. We would have kept a little bit on. We would have passed an hour ago, but it's all good. So now we're here trying to figure out if this is going to work or not. I'm pretty sure the 30-second is on our side, but oh, actually no. Look how the SMA on the 30 is starting to round off a little bit. So it's making me think that it misses its lover. The 20 misses its lover. The 200, maybe it wants to start, seeking some love down here somewhere. So, and yeah, famous last words, right? Famous last words, famous last words. And that would have been it. Good job, guys. Good job, good patience, good everything, honestly. So good job. My music keeps pausing for some reason. I have no idea why, sorry. It's really annoying, whatever. And boom, yeah. So I'm kind of glad we didn't get into that one. So now the question is, now that we're getting closures below the sale, it does look like a good short, but I think I'm good. Do I want to dust this off? Yeah, but I'm telling you, I've been here before. I've come $30 away from passing a combine and still wound up blowing it that same day. Trust me, anything can happen. The best thing to do would be to just hit this button right here and hit that lockout button. But the inner degen in me is saying like, let's keep looking. And that's how he tricks you, right? Say, just keep on looking, leave your account open and just see if you see something else. And then before you know it, like 20 minutes later, you're in a short for 20 micros. You're down $700 after being up $400. And you have absolutely no idea how fast that happened. So I'm going to do the right thing here and just close up shop for the day. That's what we're going to do. Were we very close to passing? Yes. But I finally figured it out. Your mental is more important in this game than passing these petty little combines, guys. Like, it really is. Like, the end goal is not passing a combine. Hell, the end goal is not even to be in a funded account. The end goal is to make money from the market. And how do you make money from the market? You build good habits. So I'm going to build a good habit right now and quit while I'm ahead, lock my account, and that's going to be it for the day. That's going to be it. That's going to be it. Entire account is locked. I can't trade it even if I wanted to. This SBS failed, and like right here. If I would have took this, I would have been down. Probably would have put $100 on it, and then I would have tried to get that back. I would have been down again. This could just puke all the way back down. You try to long this situation right here. So no, I'm over it. I'm over beating myself up. I've done it way too many times in my career, my trading career. And yeah, we're gonna stop. And plus, my mentor is watching me, so I can't. You know how that shit go, right? You can't. you can't do stupid shit while your mentor is watching. I mean, come on. Alrighty, guys. That's going to do it. I'm going to go on Twitter and and say that we almost did it, but not quite. And that's going to be it. If you're in the shorts, not bad. Don't be a degenerate though. I would expect that this starts to consolidate eventually. FOMC minutes tends to bring a little bit of volatility. It's not the actual event, but price can get a little wonky. It's 11. It's almost 12. I should have been gone. My goodness. Yeah, guys. Leave a comment and subscribe and the YouTuber things on your way out. I'm done. I'm out. I will see you guys at a later junction. Look at this. Yeah, look at this. Look at this pukage right here. I would have been trying to do longs do all of this and getting spanked, and then I would have been back at break even. So yeah, we're done. Remember, guys, like, comment, subscribe, all the things, or don't. This is literally just to keep myself accountable. So we will see you guys in the next thing. Peace.